waiting! Bury that bow! Rearming. Reloading! Some warrior. All hope and no raids. Changing magazine. Smells like fresh munitions. Disappointing! Fill your packs, brothers! Rearming. Camp gate ahead. Looks deserted.
Signs of life at the Astra Militarum camp. Human life, anyway. Talassa, you need to acquire the Astra Militarum demolition codes required to deploy and arm their ordnance. Source one from any soldier you see, alive or otherwise.
Just set. Into the fray. Stay there, vermin. Not comfortable to spend all day turning out pockets.
search was successful, Captain.
Proceed to the Prometheum refinery and complete the demolition preparations.
Hawk available. Good to go.
Your target acquisition to hit ratio is surprisingly high, Straven, considering it looks like you fire wantonly into a horde.
I focus on efficiency and ammunition conservation. That is all.
I see. No response to my subtle jest.
No. I appreciate the way you curate your targets.
Never seen Prometheum in the raw. Hope it burns with the same.
Seal your mind! Smoking out swatted the bulbous bastard out of the sky! Unleashing crack grenade! Calibrate your aim, brother. Arming up! Replenished and ready. Launch. Dispensing stims. Smoking out magazine.
Talasa, the Cadians are running out of time. How close are you to the Prometheum facility?
What we have reached the objective.
You are making good time. We are going to need it.
Ordnance on me. Do not get turned around. Reloading. Subterranean detonation in the crude Prometheum. That will
Use the codes to prime the bomb and finish its deployment into the crude Prometheum well. Cautiously. If you know what is good for you.
into the more. No hope and no brains. Take what you can carry. Pork available. Ever unbound. Smoking out magazine. Neutralized. Tending to my wounds. Fuel your packs, brothers. Ready in payload delivery.
Rites of activation have been observed. Generators hung in the machine god's name. Crane sequencing initialized. Delivering payload.
Rampage on just set.
Countermeasures. Preparing as the swarm spawn. Headed toward Generator 4.
Generator 4, several mechanistic orientations. Provide service before components are armed.
Pork available. Even more. Stims injected. Reloading.
X-axis land. Running on this side as well.
2 vaccines remain.
Attention. Crane drive is jammed. Perform the necessary transfer to resume operation.
Orders from me. Replenished and ready.
Jam clear. Drive train restored. Begin the course of locomotion, adepts.
Swarm approaching. Keep firing lanes to Generator 3 clear.
Biological accumulation at Generator 3. Probable avian infestation.
Give you a break.
Y-axis aligned. Marginal error 0.0 nanometers. Estimating all missiles to 9 precision.
Descend into the prepare for hostiles in Generator 2.
Disruption of operation at Generator 2. Reasons all missiles proper alignment.
Pork available. Generator still infested with Xenos. Just set. One down. Trillions to go.
Demolition deployment sequence concluded. No data logged under the Omnissiah's watchful oculus.
The Emperor.
It is an observation platform overlooking the Cryptomethium fields. It will make a good vantage for your ambush.
Ordnance on me. Hawk available. No turning back now. Swapping out magazine. I love it when vermin dig their own graves. What needs grappling?
Inserting fresh magazine.
Fill your packs, brothers. Magazine out, magazine in.
Our coordination is off. Oh? Inefficient.
How so?
Your fire would be most effective after my bombardments.
I suggest you call for a chapter, sir.
We have arrived at Nozick's facility. Run distraction efforts as long as you can.
There is one thing I know, Lieutenant. It is how to pin down an enemy.
I will hold you to that.
the gap! One down. Trillions to go. Fragmenting safe! Temple down! Finish and ready! Cultivate! Use the more!
Iron Halo tactics.
Lay them up, rebel launcher set! Wonder how many I could down before they got me. Stims ejected. Do not get turned around!
The enemy comes, Captain. But we are prepared.
Dig in. We need that bomb triggered for optimal yield. Orbital scan estimates the bulk of the swarm will not be in position for a while yet. Keep your heads and get it done.
The swarm is upon us.
Raise fortifications!
Not let the Tyranids into close combat range.
Who else is ready to pull the
The
legs
bulk of the
off?
swarm is continuing along the predicted path. Continue holding.
Got the gear. Stay dead, vermin. Swapping out magazine. Reloading. Tyranids aim to make me cut through the refinery. Finished and ready. Dispensing stims.
to get my swarm has almost fully committed. Be ready for my mark.
Closing the gap. Arming up. What needs grappling? Walking out magazine. Ordnance on me.
You are clear to detonate. Cook those rotten bastards.
We end this now.
Tending to my wounds.
Straight up here. Our ambush is highly effective.
Tenant biosites now active, set and fall. Swarm annihilation confirmed. Excellent work. Move to extract.
Target Xenos biofilm.
Thunderhawk arriving at evac point. Wrap down and ready.
Lichter slide.
Extraction team en route. Evacuate immediately. Extraction complete.
Lieutenant, what did you see in those Mechanicus files?
A record of extreme foolishness.
Explain.
You may direct that request to our captain.
Give me a tactical overlay of the city.
Captain!
A minute.
Damn them. After everything that happened.
Brother, do not keep us in the dark.
It is not your concern.
You criticize the captain for withholding intelligence, and yet you treat us to the same evasive obscurity.
Stray words have cost me dearly.
So you do not trust us?
Brothers, calm yourselves, lest you face the chaplain's censure.
Look!
I hope they survived.
Scanning valves. 67 faults detected.
Those are flawless welds.
Radiographic inspection revealed non-metallic inclusions. Analysis suggests flux material.
How bad is the contamination?
5 millimeters over the length of the weld. Greatest point of porosity is 997 micrometers.
That is well below tolerances. Check your thresholds. You're way overtuned.
Calibrating. Inspection passed.
I should think so.
Illogical. Replacement systems unsatisfactory. Of replacement exceeds that of repair.
Time to go. I will not concede.
Brother, you seem troubled.
I tire of reckless fools.
I hope you do not mean us.
Not unless you worship the Omniscient.
Ah, then I share your distaste.
Little wretches have been found crawling through water pipes, sewage, ventilation. They are everywhere.
We should bring 100 floors of stone down on their heads.
Are you enjoying the devastation of Imperial worlds?
No, but I revel in seeing those skittering brutes turn to ash.
Let us grind the chitinous curs deep into the parched soil of Avalax.
A vivid picture.
I speak only as one who is stirred by the words of our Primarch.
I prefer action to colorful speech.
city. We'll have to land outside and make our...
Brace for emergency landing.
Lock armor! Lance of Jove, report.
Minor damage. Tech team is inbound.
Can we depend on you for extraction?
Yes, Lord. We will be there.
Very good, brother. The Emperor protects. Make haste. We have considerable ground to cover.